How often do you consume sugar? Sugar is hidden in a cup of coffee, sweet desserts, and even juices that look healthy. We are used to the sweetness of sugar, but many people may not know how much this sweetness affects our health. Our
Actually, he
bodies are
left.
originally
He left
designed to
the
break down
organization. She doesn't
complex
really
carbohydrates found in
he is
fruits,
actually he
vegetables, and
left.
whole
He left
grains
the
to obtain
organization. She doesn't
glucose,
really
an energy source, and
he is
nutrients.
actually
For this glucose to be used as fuel for our bodies, insulin secreted by the pancreas is required. Insulin plays a role in regulating blood sugar levels and storing glucose in the form of glycogen in the liver and muscles and in the form of triglycerides in fat cells. When we consume natural foods, an appropriate amount of glucose slowly enters the bloodstream, so only a small amount of insulin is used. In this case, the body and mind are stabilized and energy levels are appropriately maintained. However, when refined sugar is consumed, a large amount of glucose enters the blood all at once, causing the pancreas to secrete excessive amounts of insulin. This puts a great burden on the body, causing fatigue, and the over-secreted insulin causes blood sugar to drop sharply, creating a vicious cycle of looking for sweet foods again. Nature gave us sugar in the form of sugarcane and sugar beets. These contain the appropriate amount of nutrients needed to metabolize sugar. However, in the process of processing sugarcane or sugar beets into refined sugar, 64 components are destroyed. Essential nutrients such as potassium, magnesium, calcium, iron, vitamins A, B, and D, amino acids, essential enzymes, and fiber disappear. To metabolize refined sugar, our bodies must borrow essential nutrients from physical tissues such as bones, muscles, and the brain. For example, excessive calcium is used to neutralize the effects of sugar, which can lead to osteoporosis and tooth decay. Furthermore, since 56 molecules of magnesium are required to metabolize 1 molecule of sugar, it causes magnesium deficiency, which can lead to high blood pressure, myocardial infarction, and neurological diseases. Sugar is also closely related to the causes of various diseases, such as type 2 diabetes, kidney disease, liver disease, obesity, and depression. Sugar consumption interferes with the absorption of glutamic acid and other vitamin B components, causing mental confusion and daytime sleepiness. If the essential nutrients used for refined sugar metabolism are insufficient, toxic residual substances cannot be processed properly and accumulate in the brain and nervous system, promoting cell death, and if they accumulate in the blood, carbon poisoning symptoms may appear. Even the connection between criminal behavior in adolescence and sugar consumption and the relationship with early onset dementia and mental illness have been revealed through research.